Do some of the products on your website not have any pictures? Well, here's how to attach pictures to those products and make them even more attractive to your customers. I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. You're going to want to start here on the dashboard. And from the dashboard, click right here below on the inventory menu. From inventory, click on My Products. Now, on the My Products page, you'll see all of the products available on your website. Just search for the one that doesn't have any image. So usually you'll see that because it just has an icon, and the icon will look something like this. And if you want to attach an image to that product, just click on the icon, and you can choose whether to upload an image from a file or from your media gallery or from a URL. Now, once you're done selecting that image, just click on Submit, and there you have it. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.